Your boy KNOCKOUT360 with another video. So as you can tell, we're going to be doing a bit of an install video. We don't do too many of these, but as you know, I just got my 2020 Dodge Charger, so I'm going to be kind of setting it up just how I like it, right? So what are we doing today? ProClip installation, mobile mounting devices or mobile mounting solutions. I haven't seen a 2020 Dodge Charger installation video on YouTube as of yet. I've seen 2018s, 2019, so on and so forth, but I haven't seen the 2020, and I just wanted to kind of put that out there for you guys to let you know that it does indeed fit, and this is how you go about it. So let's go over what we got here. First off, we got some screwdrivers, just your basic Phillips head. This one's a little bit of a specialty. This is the actual mounting device that's going to hold the phone. This is my phone. The reason that I'm showing this is because this is the OtterBox case. This is the Defender, the thick one. I guess maybe the most protection you can get. Of course, that's my car on there. Like I said, this is the actual device that's going to hold the phone. These two screws here are going to allow you to essentially adjust how it holds or how it's held in the mounting device, as opposed to most cheap car mounts that you find online where you can just push them. With this one, you actually have to screw it down. So I've got this I've got it screwed in just perfectly to fit this phone every time. It's going to fit it really snug, but I know it's not going to go anywhere. This particular screw in the middle is going to allow you to adjust the actual angle of how it sits when you get it in the car. Now, I haven't tightened this down because I'm actually going to be screwing this off, because this particular plate is going to mount onto this. And this is going to allow you to actually put it in the charger. Of course, I'll demonstrate this when we get in the car, but it's going to allow you to mount it inside of the car so that it sits there nice and sturdy. These two things here are strictly for prying open kind of the console of the charger so that you can get this in there. And then of course the two screws that's going to go into the mounting plate that's going to be mounted to this. And I think that's it. Like I said, this is the ProClip adjustable holder for rugged cases. This is for the 11 Pro Max, XS Max, and this is for essentially cases that are really thick and rugged, similar to the OtterBox Defender. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the car. As you can see, before I actually went to the car, I went ahead and mounted that particular plate to the back of the mounting plate that's going to go into the car. So we can see it's just 4 little screws. The holes are already perforated for you, so it's just a matter of screwing them in. And then of course this middle portion is going to go into the mounting plate, and it's going to allow you to have an adjustable kind of field of view as it pertains to your phone, right? So let's go ahead and get into the car. All right, guys, now as you can see, we are in the charger here. So these things are actually called gap openers. Pry tools gap openers is what they're technically called. They give you 2 of them. You're supposed to insert one here to kind of spread the material apart, and then you want to insert one here to give you enough room to play as well. So we're going to do just that. Put it in there kind of good, and then another little place in here. Yeah, that's not that bad actually. And then of course at the end of the day, it should mount just like so. Like so. There is adhesive. I think it's a 3M adhesive that's on the inside of it, and then another 3M adhesive that's on this other side. So essentially what you're going to do, if you see how it's kind of cut, you're going to dig into it and then pull back. And then obviously that back piece there is going to slide right in there. So you want to kind of angle it in such a way that you push in, and then you're going to pull it this way, and then that bottom piece is going to slide right in there. All right, 1 second. That's exactly how it's going to look. There is no give whatsoever with this thing. This thing is not going anywhere. As you can see, it's behind there, so nothing's exposed. And on this side, it is in there good and deep. A little bit of a space there, real small. Can barely get this in there anymore, but it is in there good. This is not going anywhere, real talk. This is mounted on there real good. So let's go ahead and mount on the actual phone holder. Camera in such a way that you can actually see exactly what I'm doing here. So you're just going to obviously take that plate there. As you can see, that screw is hanging out. It's ready to go in, and you just want to push it on there and screw it in. Already got a bit of a hold there. Just get it in good. Now it's just a matter of choosing how much angle you want. So what I'm going to do is put my phone in, Yeah, that actually looks good. That looks really good. So yep, I'm gonna keep it right there. So let's go ahead and screw it in good. And I'm pushing on this thing pretty good, and neither the base nor the actual mount is moving. So a little loose. Let's give it a little bit more. There you go. Oh yeah, that's not going anywhere. It may be moving a little bit, but the actual mount on the back is not moving. So I should just be able to, boom, just like that. Yeah, maybe a little tighter. I think we still got a little play. There we go. And just for giggles, let's mount this on here as well. All right, so I'm just going to finish it up here. You can get pretty firm with it. You don't have to worry about it breaking. This is a good piece of hardware here. Then I want to tighten these up just to make sure that there's little to no give, which there is. These are pretty much set. And then, there you have it. So that's it right there. That looks good to me. Take the two mounting devices or the two gap openers. That looks good. Doesn't move at all. Yeah, definitely worth it, guys. I actually got this for about $63. It came with the base and the actual phone holder, 2 pieces. So you do have to buy those separately, but of course you can all get them in one order. But yeah, that looks good. And this is the XS Max with the outer box Defender case on it. And of course I had the belt holder in the house, but this is what will be mounted. Yeah, that looks good, man. So all in all, that's how the cockpit looks right there. Police scanner, Uconnect system, iPhone XS Max. All right, guys, this has been it, man. I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. Really quick video. ProClip, let's just look around. That's how it's gonna look. And of course I'm sitting in the passenger seat, so no one should be bumping into it. You know, I've got plenty of room over here to do what I do. Shouldn't be bumping into it accidentally. Disregard that. That's just kind of the only method that I know to keep the wire from getting in the way. But yeah, that is it, guys. Looks good. Good construction. That's how it looks when you look on the side of it. That's how the actual mounting plate looks. That's how it looks on that side as well. Nothing's hanging out. Everything's good. I can take my iPhone CarPlay plug and plug it right in through the bottom. Yeah, that looks good, guys. I definitely recommend it. Go out and get you a ProClip. It's legit. And it fits in the 2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack wide bodies. Definitely a good fit. As always, guys, like, subscribe, comment. I will see you in the next one. Peace.